Look at the milk. You see how thick? This is milk cream of fresh milk. Wow. What else I do is have lemon, which is required, either white vinegar or lemon juice. And my milk is starting to go off. So, wow, the cream. Oh my god. Okay, I need to clean now everything. So I need to heat it until it's quite hot, but it shouldn't boil. I need to keep boiling. This is the cream of milk. It's yellowish in color. Raw cow's milk has so much cream. It's almost it's now getting quite hot. I'm going now to turn off the heat and I'm going to add lemon juice. Look at that. I just finished eating it and I realized I didn't film it. But I will make it again because I have 2 more of bottles. Oh, actually not 2 more, 1.5 and a little bit of this to make, and then I will show you how it looks like. Okay, it's been sitting here for maybe 7 minutes. I'm going to strain it. This I think is firmer. Of the way. Yeah, it's pretty much done. I don't need to do anything, but I can make it firmer a little bit. And I will show you the consistency of it. That is the final product.